Good afternoon to the televiewers of Sky Cable Channel 28, the Beautiful Art Show. Mapapansin ninyo, kasama ko to yung mga nagagandahang lalaki, no? You notice they were part of that team who had physical fitness workout earlier under the tutorship of Nel John Astudillo of BFit and Metro Lifestyle. First of all, I would like them to introduce themselves one by one. Iho, please introduce yourself, your name, if you are studying, what school, okay.
Hi, my name is RV Abian. I'm studying at Holy Cross of Davao College, taking up Bachelor of Science in Accountancy.
Okay. Balikan ka namin later. Let me just introduce the rest of the group. Ikaw, sir, what's your name and what school?
Hello, I'm Giancarlo Mogas. I'm from I am studying in Redemptorist. I'm taking up Bachelor of Arts in Philosophy, and I'm 17 years old.
Okay, thank you. I'm the guy after you.
Hello, I'm Ruben Mangkwang from Holy Cross College, taking up BSMT course, and good afternoon.
Okay, good afternoon. Thank you. And the guy after you.
Hello, good afternoon. I'm Maya Guillermo Mercado. I'm studying at Holy Cross of Davao College under the program of the Bachelor of Science in Marine Transportation.
Okay, and last but not the least.
Hi guys, good afternoon. I'm Angelito Lagagay Jr. from Holy Cross of Davao College, taking up BSMT or Bachelor of Science in Marine Transportation, 16 years of age.
Okay, halos lahat sa inyo tiyan, ano? But before we proceed, let me just express our sincere thanks to the sponsor of the show, no? Yung nagbigay sa atin ng snack. We're taking MX3 iced tea, no? Yung tea. And of course, we had also the mangosteen jam, MX3 mangosteen jam sandwich, no? And hopefully you like the taste of this tea. And ano ba, kumusta? Ayos ba na parang drink after a rigid exercise?
Opo, masarap talaga ang tea ng MX3.
Oh, that's good. And what of the jam? Yung inyong kinain na sandwich?
The jam is soothing in the throat.
Okay. So, ang gusto ko malaman, no, yun munang yung involvement ninyo sa pag-iinsa. How did you become part of that group na aeroboxing ba ang tawag doon? Aeroboxing, no? Boxing or aerobics?
It's power combat po.
Oh, power combat. Anong difference niyan sa aeroboxing?
Power combat is having more exercise than aerobics because sa power combat kasi you can do different kind of martial arts in just one session, like Muay Thai, Subakdo, kickboxing, many others, Kung Fu.
O so parang package as one, iba-ibang klaseng martial arts. So, meron pang tawag ito particular age group na highly recommended for this kind of martial arts or any age group?
Sa pagkakaalam ko po, bata, tanda, welcome para mag-join sa amin kasi according kay Sir Nel, any age is, anyone is capable of doing what we've just done kanina.
Oo, so wala talagang kuhari. Anybody can undertake that kind of training, no? Sa inyo more or less mga ilang buwan na kasi because I noticed para bang perfect na yung mga movements ninyo. Very, kumbaga, synchronized, no? Maybe you've been together for how long?
We've been together for siguro span of year na din siguro.
1 year na halos. Oo. Okay. So, paano yan? Paano kayo nagsisimula sa training? Meron bang special parang ritual bago yung actual na ensayo o sabak ka agad?
First of all, sir, mag-con muna kami, sir, mag-ex or stretching for our body, sir, so that our blood circulation will madali na mag-con, sir, mag-expand or madali na igalaw ang katawan at saka maka-flex kami masyado, sir, or madali lang pong gumalaw sir kung makapag-exercise ka or mag-kayo muna sir.
So malaking bagay yung parang medyo pinakondisyon mo na yung katawan, ano? And this will go on for how many minutes, yung the whole session?
Usually, round up from beginning to end, yun nag-take up kami ng 2 to 3 hours every session.
Every session. Di ba haba, ano? I mean, that long? 3 hours. Pero merong in between, may mga rest period.
Meron naman po.
Mga break, like every 30 minutes you break. Do you take special kind of diet? Kung sakaling you have this kind of training program, meron bang special food na dapat kainin o kahit ano lang, okay?
For us, kailangan talaga ng diet. Hindi lang para sa amin, para din sa inyo mga Pilipino. Kasi importante ang body natin. Tsaka dapat pag gusto yung healthy body, you take up good food like vegetables and take up vitamins and food supplements like MX3.
Oh, yeah, I'm sure totoo yan, ano, na minsan yung ating food intake is not enough. No? Maybe the kind of food intake para lang sa regular na activity, pero kung medyo rigid yung exercise, you really need supplements, no? And MX3 is a good supplement, no? It's an energy booster at the same time. Even the capsule, I know if you're aware of it, no? Ang MX3, meron silang plain capsules and meron din silang MX3 Plus, no? The difference is yung MX3 Plus, meron yun siyang action sa heart, no? Dapat iba yung tibok ng puso at the same time to normalize yung blood pressure. But maybe the MX3 Plus capsules are good only for the elderly age group. I'm sure kayo, may mga bata pa, matibay pa yung puso, no? Malakas pa yung ang power ng puso niyo. That's why you can survive for 3 hours, no? Walang hinihingal, no? Parang wala akong nakitang hingal kanina. So, for men, I would suggest that either you take the tea, no, as yung pag nauhaw, MX3 tea, or you can take regular MX3 capsule. Now, we will request the dealer and the owner of MX3 if they can provide you with kind of a supplement, no, habang you are siguro mas maigi kung mabibigyan kayo ng at least mga good for 2 weeks supply, no, para masubukan nyo rin. May iba tayo naman, no? Before we start our snack earlier, your teacher, si Nel John, had a very nice prayer, and then kayo din, I observed, you were in one with him in prayer. Kasama ba sa training ng martial arts ang prayer?
Of course, kasi sa lahat naman talaga ng ginagawa natin, we need talaga prayer, and dapat talaga every time we do something, we must ask the guidance of God so that we can do it well and we can avoid mga accidents.
Ano bang naging impact ng exercise program na tinuro ni Nel John sa inyo, no? Na before you joined the team or the group, you were involved in, you know, kasi alam ko one reason na nakakatulong itong program na to, na ilalayo yung mga kabataan sa mga masamang bisyo, mga masamang impluensya, no? Sa inyo ba nangyari ba to?
Sa pagkakalam ko sa grupo namin, wala namang nalihis ng ganda sa...
So even before na hindi pa kayo membro, mabait na talaga kayo.
Hindi rin ganun, pero ang natulong talaga ng Power Combat ito sa amin, because it made us better persons by physically and mentally, most especially spiritual, because Sir Nel never neglects to that we must put God first before we start, so that yun nga, para ma-avoid yung mga accidents na hindi naman naiwasan minsan.
Ano pa talaga ang motivation? Bakit kayo tinuturuan ng martial arts? Ano pa talaga ang objective? Bakit ang isang kabataan katulad ninyo need to study martial arts? Maliban of course sa it's a physical exercise, no? Maliban dyan, anong purpose?
The main purpose talaga is for self-defense kasi sa hirap ng buhay ngayon, marami na nagkalat ng mga masasamang loob. And we really need to take this so that we can defend ourselves and our loved ones.
For us,